why I bailed. I'm happier out of the vehicle. Down the hill, down the hill. Here comes Eric.
This is gonna hurt, guys.
Go slow.
I am going.
Turn that way first, then go. That way, that's flatter that way. Yeah. Yep, go slow. You could have missed the whole thing by moving over. You're gonna go bump, so go slow. Yep. Go slow. Go slow. Yep, good job. Beautiful. Good job. Okay, well, bumpy camera work because I'm walking. Yeah. It's actually kind of fun to watch it from behind.
Very careful there. Yep, on the turn, we came down pretty hard and do it right.
Nice work, Derek. Good job. And go. Yep. There she blows. Lots of giggles from inside. From the Katies. Let's see, they're clear down there now. This is where we were bumping through. Which way are you gonna go?
That way.
That way? Okay.
They're both about equal.
I guess you're probably right. I'm gonna head the other way. Off he goes. Now we got these guys here. It looks like we are coming up on a damaged vehicle at the bottom of this canyon. I'm gonna let our vehicle idle a little so it can cool down on its own. Okay. Alrighty, so we think this is the stair thing area. Really technical. So, just gonna give you a little quick glimpse of the area, and then we're gonna watch him go on up. It's gonna be fun. Here we go. What's this called again, Jeff?
What's that?
What's this called again?
I think it's the steps.
We think it's called the steps, this area. Bam! Yep, you got this.
I'm not doing that because I don't have the wheelbase to reach the top. I'd just be...
It's awesome. And he's done. He did it. Oh, we got one more. We got one more. Never mind. We're ready. More steps. Having a good time? This time Christian's laughing, not me. It's usually me.
So awesome. I love it.
It's so fun. Yep, here he goes. Almost to the top of the stairs. Very nice. And then we'll see the end. See where we came from. Here's Jeff's marking his area, checking it out, making some choices to be best for his vehicle. Oh, we're kind of stuck at the top. Look at that. You can can see the vehicle right there. Kind of matches the rocks. Gotta jump over a rock, I guess, right there. Alright. We are round 2 with Jeff. Well, it's round 1 for him, but car number 2. He's taking a different path. He'll probably be a lot less crunching and bouncing. All right. There he goes. Coming right up. He's doing a Stairmaster, as he said earlier. Stair stepper.
Turn this way.
Not liking there.
I'm not liking that.
Side that rolls off.
Okay, there's boulders behind you.
You got about 5 feet, and there's a boulder. There we go.
Come see what's over here. What I keep dropping there.
There's a hole there.
Yeah.
Your tire gets stuck in it, so
When he went over. You were awesome. No, when he went,
I may or may not have.
I didn't. I was like, oh, I'm sorry. It's scary, and I was going to turn right back over.
Now my seatbelt's locked. Oh.
Excellent. Very safe.
Hey. I will not
Oh, that's much better.
If I hit back, if I get caught up.
I have to hit it with a bounce to
Yeah.
get up over it.
Alright, theory. I locked
You've got like 3 feet. Still got a foot and a half. They're all 4 turning.
Yeah, I'm not getting up that right there.
Yeah, you might need a really big rock.
Alright, yeah. Okay, that's a little one. That's why I'm tipping because of that.
Yep. We added some extra steps, and hopefully he'll make it up this time. Should.
I gotta, when you get a minute, show off my first body damage.
I heard some banging.
It's true.
That
We
was back there. It's self-inflicted. It was the tire on the wheel well. That thing, you saw that already.
yeah. All right, here we go. It's gonna be grand. Yes. Oh. Oh.
And those tires should split off. This one's good.
adjusting our stairs. So we can make it up the stairs.
Okay. Try to hit it with a little momentum.
Kevin style, you know. Little gusto. Oh, that was fun though.
Okay, you probably made it back down to three.
Okay, this really is round 2 for car number 2.
Yeah, put on that.
We're gonna go the route the Bronco's planning to take. Goes. Swinging in. Yeah, just keep going if you can climb it. Just moved it out of the way, you're good.
Okay, now coming this way. Right? Alright.
Climb this rock that you moved. There we go.
That's the way up.
Line up. All right, we have a derrick coming.
I need to know what's hit and how close I am to destroying it.
Destructive. All right, I moved so you can see the top view. Kevin's standing where I was, about. Very nice. Yep, good job. He's a big guy. Here we go. Walking along.
This way so you can make the turn.
Nice and wide.
Right here, come Jack, this to the top.
Okay, we're just waiting. We've got Jeff climbing to the top on the next stairs. That was easy. Very nice. Okay. He's doing well.
Put it in neutral. Mark, whatever. What's your temperature? What is it?
Coming up to help Jeff. Trying to figure out how to go up the next set of stairs.
Back toward me a little bit. There? A little bit more. Okay, right there. Okay, come. Okay, go.
Yeah. There it is. Yep. There it is. Very nice.
Save that. Did you save that?
Yep.
Okay, good.
I got it.
I'm just yelling.
I think that helped, actually. He needed that. There we go. Climb, climb, climb. Very nice.
I didn't like that one. That down there was scary. He almost went off that ledge.
He was okay.
It's just the back part kept slipping.
It kept going that direction, yeah. And he's scot-free. All right, now it's time for the Bronco. Well, she's right here. He's gonna come up here and climb up these stairs that Jeff did, I think. Maybe.
Okay, guys.
I mean, there's some over here, so we'll see. Here he comes. Smack.
Okay, hard left.
Oh, there he goes. Nice, nice.
Straight up.
There we go. He's coming towards you.
Okay, there you go.
Wild man. Which one? Which one's he doing? Oh, he's going up this one. Okay, so we're going up a different one. Here he comes. It's okay. It's just barely grazing.
Back up a little bit and hit it with a little bit more momentum. Okay? Now hard left and right. Okay, bring it.
Oh, I didn't even touch it that time.
Straighten out, straight at me.
That's fun. That's fun. Yep, you got it. Very nice.
That's your tree. Don't you
That's your treat.
Come see us again, because who knows what I'm going to do next.